Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a modern 60s makeup, kind of like mod, really monochrome face and then just like intense black spidery lashed eyes. I did my hair, I tried to do it like in a 60s vibe again. Didn't really work out as well, but how cute are these little ears? I think I got them at Winners in Canada. And I wanted to do for the giveaway this week, this awesome box from MARC JACOBS. These are the Enamored Lip Gloss collection. They sent this to me and then I also did a sponsored content with them on my Instagram. So they sent them to me like twice. So I've got this to give away. So if you want to win this, be a member of the notification squad. So subscribe now and turn on the bell. Leave a comment within the first 12 hours and I'll pick someone to win. I'll send it anywhere in the world, BT dubs. Okay, so part of this video is sponsored by MARC JACOBS. I'm going to use their foundation and their mascara. I love this mascara. It's been one of my favorites for a long time, so I'm excited. They gave me another one. This one has like my name on it. There. So I kind of want to collect this one, so I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use the one that I already had, which is probably my third one of this. But we'll get to that. Let's do the look first. So I got out a primer because I want to prime my skin. You're gonna know why in a second. So yeah, I'm gonna do that nice monochrome mod look. I'm gonna start with this from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I want my skin to be nice and hydrated before I go in with that hectic foundation because I want a really full coverage look. So I'm gonna use the most full coverage foundation that I've got, and you know what that is, right? Memories. I think it's probably my most iconic video up there with the Ellis Fast review. You know the one. So trying to make sure my skin is really hydrated before I go in with the foundation. As I said, the foundation is a MARC JACOBS one. Can you guess what it is? My best friend. Remarkable foundation. Do you guys remember when I first tried to use this? It did not go well. I had no idea how full coverage it was. I didn't bother looking up or reading the instructions on how to use this, and it was a trip for all of us. Am I right? So I'm going to take the beige medium, and there's a reason it comes with a dropper because you need the tiniest amount. That's literally probably too much. Is this going to be a recreation of that fateful day? Okay, I've wet my makeup sponge. This is a 3D HD from Sigma. I have a coupon code if you want a discount. It is one of my faves. Blending that out. Wow, this is like a perfect match for me. Go me. Proud of myself. We're going to be layering. Let's add another couple of drops. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to link the video below. It's really funny. The first time I ever tried this foundation, let's just say I put too much on. Anyway, it is a really good foundation, and for this look as well, I want that like mod, really flawless matte skin. Is that a pimple? Rude. Okay, this foundation should save you a lot of time as well because it's so full coverage. I don't normally need to conceal after that. Do you think I'll need to conceal that? Probably not. Done and dusted skin. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for that I might zoom you in a tad. I'm going to take my Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit. I guess I'm trying to thicken up the brows just a little bit. Cool. I just take the sponge like through them so that they look a bit more natural, but the shape that I created is like still there. Then I'll take the Essence Make Me Brow. Can't find my Gimme Brow right now, which is concerning, but now I'm turning hell bougie on you, but this is the bronzer from Dolce Gabbana. Oh, doesn't smell like anything really. I kind of thought it would smell like money or something, but it doesn't. So I'm taking this. Let's go up in my hairline. It's got to be a matte bronzer, by the way. This look is like, it's matte. No exceptions. Got to make it look like we've been in the south of France, tanning with Coco Chanel. It's a nice bronzer. Well, you'd hope so, right? More. This is with my Sigma contour brush. I'm gonna add some down my nose to contour my noggin a little bit. Now for my eyes, I'm gonna keep it matte again. This is the Soft Shell 5-in-1 from Bare Minerals. I don't use enough Bare Minerals. I really should. but they have such nice stuff. So I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. It's gonna smooth out and make the eyelid space really even. I am gonna do eyeshadows as well, so just wait. See the difference? Now I'm gonna take the Too Faced Natural Matte. They came out with new packaging. I love it. It's got like this clear plastic over the top. I really like the whole new vibe of everything Too Faced have. It looks so pretty and I prefer it so much over the tin that was the old packaging for the Natural Matte. So the product inside is exactly the same from what I could see. So that's good. I'm gonna take Heaven. I'll sweep that all over the eyelid. Then I'll take Au Naturel. See where that socket is? Go right above it. Concentrating the color right in the center there like a little moon, and then let the edges blend down. Work on it for a few minutes so that it's really blended in. And then let's take Sexpert. That's my nickname. Okay, now I've got one of the best brushes ever. It's the Blending E36 from that Sigma Precision Eye Kit. I think it's called the Precision Eye Kit. And I'm putting Sexpert right in there. Intensify the socket and then let it fade down. Do you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Okay, I'm gonna take some Less is More. Go right up under the eye, guys. Take more of Sexpert. Now I'm gonna take Wicked Gel Liner from Sigma. I'm kind of using this photo from Selena Gomez. I forgot to tell you this, but it's basically like this idea. I just want to do a much more nude kind of lip, more on the nude side. Starting at the outer corner. Go across the lid. Keeping it really close at first. Okay, that's what I've got. So I guess it is kind of a wing, but when you look up, it doesn't really flick. It just kind of like ends. Now I've got to repeat it to the other side. This is the tough part, so do you mind if I do it off camera? I'm gonna take Tarte Shape Tape. Blend that in under the eye. I just want it to be really bright and flawless under there. Just gonna go back over the bronzer just in case some of that got unblended because of the concealer. Okay, now it's time for mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes. So this is the MARC Jacobs Velvet Noir. I love these kinds of bristles, and the bristles are kind of indented so it gets really close to my lash line. It's one of my ultimate volume mascaras and the black is super, super black. The reason I love this mascara is definitely a mixture of a couple of things. The wand and the formula is definitely one of my faves. I use it a lot. Let's just start, shall we? So the curvature of the bristles means that I can get really close into my lashes and tuck it right against my lash line. I like this one because it coats every single lash, but it doesn't like smudge and my lashes aren't crusty, like they're still comfortable. So my lashes are super duper intense. Keep layering to get that mod look. Lower lashes as well. Load it up. Whoa, look at the difference. Got that really nice creamy gel-like texture, so I can get really nice, you know, touchable, soft plush lashes. How big can I go? That's a lot. This one does not smudge either, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a lot under there. Oh my god, it's just so black. My lashes are like a black hole. Can you see how long and intense they are? I don't even need false lashes, right? Now I'm going to take the Nude Spectrum palette from Zueva, and I'm gonna take this color. It's matte, of course, and it's probably just a warmer bronzer. Now I want some nude eyeliner on a waterline just to enhance that round mod look. This is the Smashbox Always Sharp. Oh shit. Oh. Got stuck in the lid. That's not meant to happen. Deceased. Goodbye. Rest in peace. I need that again. I like that one. Okay, another nude pencil that I have that's also really good. Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil for brighter eyes. I don't think it has an actual color on it. So, for lips, I'm going to make them really nude, and starting with Smashbox Always Sharp. Let's hope this one works a bit better. Yes, so this is the Nude Fair. Now, I don't think you've ever seen me in a lip this color. This is a very nude color. It's like really brown. Do you think it suits me? Okay, that's Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Fair Game. So I want really matte skin, so I'm going to take the Urban Decay Medium Warm Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in Medium Warm. Okay. All right, finished look. Super matte, not typical right now because people love the glow. I don't remember the last time I watched a tutorial where someone didn't put highlighter on. I think I didn't put highlighter on in one of my recent videos because I was recreating a video from like 7 years ago, 8 years ago. But yeah, this time no gloss or shimmer anywhere. It's all so matte. Do I look flat? Do I look two-dimensional? My hair is certainly not flat. I tease the bejesus out of this. Is it too much? I don't care. This is how I live my life. You should too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Super sexy. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget, it might win you that MARC JACOBS lip set. Thank you, MARC JACOBS, for partnering with me for the mascara and foundation portion of this video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Love you so much.